the Mahesha, that is person name. Panel name I know, but these third party company names I don't know. Yes, yes, Mahesha. Yeah, that I think something company Mindtree or something. Payroll company is different. Hmm? Uh, okay, okay, once again I am checking. Yeah, first meridian is the payroll. First meridian. Pers- hmm. Hemant, Hemant is the name. Hemang Chada is the name of that person. HR. Mm. No, PwC is the client. Payroll is the different. Payroll is the first meridian. First meridian is the payroll. Client is the PwC. Mm, 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 mm. Yes, yes, same role there also. Okay, okay. Mm. Yeah, yeah, sure, 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 sure. Yeah, hi. So last assignment done, right? No issues with that. What my agenda, so we can close the aim syllabus as soon as possible, and parallelly also we can able to do with the UI full stack development UI full stack development as well, because many calls are coming from the UI full stack development aim with full stack development. Okay, so if you are comfortable in AM with full stack development, then you can I would say we can easy way to handle in UI front end development roles as well. Okay, so parallelly, meanwhile, parallelly, we can go ahead with the UI full stack development as well. So in that, basically, all the technologies will be there. Like I would say, HTML, CSS, and we have the Bootstrap. Next, we have here JavaScript and React.js. So these are the technologies. So we'll do work on it, these technologies as well. So based on these technologies, we can able to design some websites and all. So coming days, what we can do? So we do directly projects. We can uh, take 1 or 2 persons under uh, us, and then we can try to make the websites our own. So like that, we can able to do. Okay, so we should be very good on these all four technologies, five technologies. Okay, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JS, and React JS as well. And every like in AM there are basically AM backend and AM frontend. If your designation is the AM backend, that will be AM with Java. If your designation with full, I would say, front end, then you should be very good at these technologies as well. Okay, yeah, fine. I give the summary what all the aspects which we discussed in the last session. So last session we discussed about what is CMS tool, and next what is AEM, and we discussed about what is author instance, and we discussed about what is publish instance. Okay, these are all the areas which we discussed, and after that we have the concept like how to establish the connection between author instance and publish instance. So after this session I can able to share this document to you as well, so in that uh, so you will get the clarity. So last session I forgot to share the document, but every day whatever the topics which we discussed in that entire session, so the document I will be shared with you also, so through that you can able to uh, uh, easily understand, and then the document also you can keep in your local. Okay, so connection, here also we done with the setup as well, like how to set up author instance, this we done, and here also we done with how to set up publish instance, this is also we done. These are all the areas we done. So here today the topic is how to set up publish instance. So make sure two instance will be open, make sure two instances. Okay, what are the two instances we have? One is the author instance, second one is the publish instance, where author instance which is used to create, manage the content, modify and manage the content. Okay, so generally what here happens, so I can show you here, there are different teams available in the AM. What are the different teams? Generally AM authoring team. So the authoring team, they don't have much knowledge on the technologies like CSS, JS also. So they can, the client will give the some reference page. So according to that, they can create the content, which means, for example, if they want one image, so simply what they will do, they simply drag and drop the image. AM tool, what it will do for that image, generally, if you go with the normal HTML, so if you want any add any image to that page, what is the process will follow? We can take the one image tag, in that where you can give the path of that image. That is the thing we do in case of HTML, no? But in case of here, simply in tool what you can do, simply you can drag and drop the image. So the backend HTML code, the tool AM tool itself, it can add it internally. So that is the main advantage with the AM tool. I hope you clear with my statement. Simply if you add the image, for that image backend HTML code whatever it has, AM tool itself it can be added. Okay, so there are different teams available in the AM, like AM authoring team, and AM development team, and next AM testing team, and AM admin team. So these are the different teams available in the in AM related jobs, AM authoring team, AM dev team, and testing. And so these they will do like the content creation, like they will be added the images, they will be added the some content which is related to the images and all they will do. But what the AM development team, like they will know, like there again development backend and front end. So some I would say full stack also will be there. Okay, they will development means they can implement the project itself, testing whatever the development team they develop, so that will be test by the testing team, admin team. So they will take care about the servers meaning our project will be run on servers only, right? So there is a separate team, they will every time they will check like how the servers is working and all. So in IT industry there are multiple servers are available. Okay, so they will take care of the servers is running or not, so everything they will take care about the servers. Now author instance. Generally if you can see here, this is the author instance which we installed yesterday night. In the author instance, this port number is 450. This is 4502, right? This is what author instance. So if you have any doubt in between also you can ask, no issue. This is author instance, the port number is 4502. So for credentials are mandatory. Credentials are mandatory. I given the username and password also, right? Username, that is admin. Next password is also we have the admin. Okay. Now there is a we set up publish instance as well, right? This is the public, but we did not make the connection between them. The port number of this is 45023 is the port number, and this is publish instance. For this no need any credentials, no need any credentials. Okay, this is what, this is publish instance, this is publish instance. Okay, so this setup we did in done in the last session. So today what we can do, we can make the we can establish the connection between them. Okay, so how we can do that now? So this is the scenario. So finally there we have the dispatcher we can place in between this publish instance, and here we have the public, or we can say end users, public, or we can say end users. Okay, so dispatcher what it will do, it will take the multiple requests at a time and it can dispatch the request. For example, this publish instance can able to handle only 10,000 5,000 requests at a time. Okay, for example, what happens if the request above 5,000 requests? For example, if you take the normal, I am telling for 10th class results or any of the results. So at the results time, so all the state people they are trying to hit same website at multiple, meaning number of requests they are trying to hit the same server. But if you put the only publish, this capacity is it can able to handle only 5,000 requests at a time. But what happens like multiple or requests are hitting the same server, then the server will down, meaning nobody can access the data. So it will everybody will get the same message that is server down. So how you can overcome that? So we will be place multiple publish instances, and in between users and servers we will keep the dispatcher. What the dispatcher will do, so it will distribute the request. For example, the public are 10,000. So in that case what will 10,000 requests, so the dispatcher will distribute like 5,000 requests to publisher 1 and 5,000 requests to publisher 2. So like that it can distribute the request. I hope this is clear. So these are the different teams, and this is the author instance, and we make the connection. So how we can make the connection and all, I will show you. So make sure you have to open two instances. So in your case, there is a issue, right? So you can open file explorer options. File explorer options. You have to type full file explorer options, and you will get the file explorer options. Simply open. So in that you will get the option called view. Go to view. So in that, in your case, this is by default, it will be checked up. If it is checked state, you have to uncheck that one. Unchecked and apply and close. So that is the settings you have to do. This is clear. Next, connection. So if you want to make the connection between two instances, make sure you have to open two instances. You can open the double click on it, that will open. So in your case, if you, when you double click on that, it will not open. So you have to open with command. That command also I have given, right? This is a command. How to open jar file using command prompt. This is the Java jar am, the file name author am author p4502 dot jar. So this is the thing. Okay, this is the command. So this document, after the session, I will share with you some Google Drive and all, so through that can get the clarity. Okay, fine. Mm, so this server is opening, and now what I so you can do the same thing. I am a call is coming. Hello. That invite mail, right? Okay, okay, fine. Share your mail to me so I can forward. Okay. Yeah, for which mail you send? For which mail you sent? You sent which my mail, like Krishna Bodgiri 123 something. Okay, okay. Yeah, sure, sure. Sure, sure. I will follow. Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. Got it. Yeah. Sure, sure. Yeah, yeah. So how you can remember, I would say, how you can say this is which instance based on the port number. If you can see, what is the port number here? 4502, which means this is author instance. Okay, so same way you can able to open publish instance as well. So you can go to there, open publish instance, and double click on this, and your publish instance also able to open. So if you can see here, there are two symbols will come. One is publish, second one is author, one is publish. Okay, so make sure before establish the connection between two servers, you have to give the connection. These are all the videos I am recording. So while doing the practice, if you stuck anywhere, you can go to the YouTube channel, which where mm, this is the YouTube channel. You can go to that, and then through that also you can able to. This is the YouTube channel. So there also you can able to see all the videos and all, whatever the videos which we are going to cover, everything you can, they are also available. Okay. I do record also. Why? Because sometimes if live also not happens, so the video has not uploaded. So because of that, I can do record as well. That is the better approach. Okay, fine. Yeah, now you can see there are two AM instances. One is 4502, one is 4503. Okay. Now go to 4502. Okay, so how we can open the 4502 server? There is a localhost 4502 am start.html. This is the command. This is the you have to give. So this I can do. mm, okay, so in that I'm going with the, there is a predefined project now, that is V-Retail. Like coming days, so we can develop our websites by using. So see, this is a sample project. How they develop the sample project, that is the V-Retail is the project, and this is the predefined one. How they develop. So similarly, we can develop our own as well. Okay. So see the content, all of the components, all of the component. What does it mean by component? Everything I will be share. So syllabus also I will share with you. This is the syllabus. Mm, AM syllabus. In this mail, the syllabus also available. You can check in the mail. You can get the syllabus of my AM as well. So in that, um, AM start.html. So here where actually uh, all are components only. What is component, how to create component and all that we'll discuss coming sessions. So now what I do, I want to add some images. For example, here there is an option called drag image, and then here simply what I'm doing, image. So see, one image got created, and simply here trying to add the image. So see how simple it is. Mm, so should you can see here simply I'm adding the image of that picture. You have to add some metadata. Mm, yeah, so simply you can see the image added. You can try to add another image that is in the format of JPEG. This is what extension, this is JPEG. We can able to add the other image. For example, if I open this one, you can see here the image is coming now. For this image adjust the width and height, for that we need to write the CSS. we need to write the CSS. If you see here how simple it is for adding the image, meaning by creating the content by using LAM tool. Got it? No, but if you go with the HTML approach, that will take more time. For example, we need to write the code and all. But without writing any code, am I able? So the text also same. For example, I can show you here. I can try to add one more image, and here I can able to add image. Yes. Yeah, if you can see the image of this kid, this is the kid fashions, and so see, now I need to write some information about the kid. So simply what I am doing, I can copy some text from some other website. For example, the same text I can do the, this is the text component. So in that we can try to add some text to that. For example, here this, the text I am copying from there to here, and then here, basically here what I am doing, I am creating the, I am designing the page. Am I writing any code? No. Without writing, simply I am adding the components. So through that I am adding the, so same thing authoring people will do. Aim authoring team we have, no, that is the different. If you look with the, if you go to the Nowper and all, if you can look for the AM authoring team, so you will get the number of positions in case of authoring also. So in case of authoring, they will do the same like this. They can design the page, and for adjusting this image and all, for that we need to write the CSS. We need to write the CSS, but this should be, we need to write the CSS. The basic thing is, so simply aim is the drag and drop tool. Any content you can simply drag and drop. Okay, fine. So where I made these all the changes, I made these all the changes in 4502. The same link I can able to copy, and I can able to open in 45037 server. 3 means what? 3 means, hmm 3 means what? 3 means publish instance. You can go and then check which is not opened. You can look with the 4502, aim start at 4503. You have to make the connection between them. How you can make the connection? Go to localhost 4502 aim start.html. There is a tools option. In that there is a option called operations. Go to operations. In that, look for the localhost 4502 misc admin misc admin. This is the misc admin. So in that there is an option called replication. Go to the replication. This is, go to here, replication on author instance, and there is an option called default agent. Click on the default agent. Okay, you will get like this. So in that there is an option called edit. Go to that edit, check the settings and transport. So when you open the author instance and publish instance, the both will be like this. Okay, the transport path also it will take automatically. Simply click on this, and now test the connection. So the connection should be success. connection should be success. So up to now I can write the program like open localhost 4502 misadmin. In that you will get step number 2, you will get a replication. Okay, step number 3, open replication, default replication, double click on inside the replication, double click on 7. So inside replication agent, double click on default agent, default replication agent, and so there we have the option called edit. Okay, so in that check the paths and click on OK. Okay, so this is the steps, and now this is the content. No, AEM 450. There is a page which we created just now, right? This is the content. No, copy this one, and now you can open with 4502 4503 server. So if it is coming still the same thing, which means 450 instance is not opened properly. You have to close this 4502 server, and again you have to try to open that 4502 server, 4503 server. Go to publish instance, you can check, and once again am publish 4502 4503 dot. Remove this quick start, delete this one. Again you can try to try to open. So the content which we created in author instance, and the content you can push to author instance to publish instance. We can able to go with the same page. Go to sites, we retail, language masters, English, some experience page, cutting. Go down. This is the content which we added now. So if so after the content which we added, that content we need to publish. How we can do the publish? So simply go to that and publish the page, and this content will be displayed on that 4503 server. So that is the connection we make between the author instance and publish instance. Okay. Hello. Yes, yes. Yes, yes, I'm looking. Yes, yes. Today is my last working day. Today is my last working day. Hello. Okay, so okay, so today what you can do, one assignment I am giving. Um, Create content. Like content means what you can do, image, and you can add the text which is related to the content in author instance. Okay, so that is the first point. Second point, publish the content from author instance. So that should be display in the publish instance. Okay, this is the thing you can do. This is the one assignment. So once you are familiar with this thing, next we'll go ahead with what is component in a. What is component in a. Okay, this we can do. So there is one PPT also for this. I can show you with that. Mm, so this is the aim introduction. So I can give the complete overview of it. You can get the clarity on that. Okay. So see here, what are the prerequisites? So in case of front end also, this front end also will see daily. I will take other 2 hours of time in case of front end. So we will cover these all the techniques. Why? Because so any website, so designing is also very important. And if we are at a strong in case of front end also, we can easily, you know, uh, so this area also we will focus on more HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React.js. React.js also. Okay. Okay, fine. So next slide. So this prerequisites which we discussed already. Now, where I would say, hello. Yes. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, today is my last working day. Yeah. Yeah, two companies are pipeline. They both are contract to hire only. No, no, no. Client is Bajaj Finance, right? Oh, okay, okay. No, 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 no. I didn't apply to that. Yeah. Uh, Beside Mahatali, BML layout. 4.25. 4.25. 4.25. Yeah, there are two are in pipeline, two companies. They're both are contract. Yeah, one company is offering 7 LPA, one company is offering 8 LPA. Yeah, yes. 10, 10 LPA. Okay. Payroll is which one? Payroll. Okay, okay. How many months contract it will be? Okay, okay, fine. Yeah, yeah. Total 5.3. Present I have 4.3. Yes. 2 years. 1 year. BTech. BTech. Yeah, yeah. Which mail? That one? Not triple line. I will give another mail. You can send to that bhkari12 @gmail.com. Hmm. That mail is not active. Yeah, updated Naukari today actually. Hmm. So can you please change the mail? I would say. Okay, okay, yeah, yeah, fine. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, these are the AM features. Why? Because there are number of tools available in the market. Why we are going with the only AM? Because these are the options. Social media integration, meaning this AM tool will connected with the all social media platforms. So through that we can any content which we created right now, that content we can publish to the all the social media platforms by using the option called social media integration. Any social media platform we can integrate. So through that we can able to publish all the content to the live. Permission controls, we can give the permissions which team want which permissions, that we can able to control. Versions, for example, if we are using for example phone pay version 5, so after 1 month which we release the phone pay version 6, so because of some issues, so that version is not working in some mobiles and all. So in such cases what we can do, we can roll back, meaning we can revert back our code which is 6 to 5. So that is called versioning quick rollback. Comprehensive search meaning any content which you can search by using, there is an option called comprehensive. Localhost 4502, and I can go to the crxt. So there itself, this is the tool. With the help of that, you can search any component, any website. We can develop in English. That website you can convert it into many other languages, Telugu, Kannada, any other language also can convert. That is called multilingual support. Simple workflow and publishing controls. These are the number of tools available in the market. WordPress, Joomla, Drupal. Okay, so these are the other aim aspects as well. Like it supports the DAM, easy integration with other marketing tools, integration with cloud, security, out of the box components, initiative authoring experience, SEO and user experience, headless CMS capabilities, advanced workflow management. These are the things. These are the other Adobe tools as well. Like in, if you attend, if you like receive the calls of 4 years or 5 years of experience, so they will ask questions on. So, do you have any aware of Adobe campaign? Do you work on Adobe Target? So, like that also they will ask. So, if you really work on that, you can tell you yes, I have worked on 1 year. Or if you not, you can say like this, like I know, but not much. Like that also you can able to tell. But these all are, you can say, Adobe stack, means these all are also tools. If you learn Adobe Analytics, so there are multiple openings in Adobe Analytics also. If you have, if you learn Adobe Target, there are multiple openings in Adobe Target also. These are the different tools which are related, comes under the category of Adobe. And now we are going with the Experience Manager. If you learn this one, you can easily integrate with other tools also. Our content also can easily push other tools as well. So this is the thing actually. Sites, assets, these are the currently we are using. Mobile forms also we are using. Commenting mobile, these are not using right now. Okay. Hello. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Client. Who is the client? Okay. Sure, sure. Sure, sure. Okay, okay. Yes, yes, I'm okay with that. Ah, yes, yes, exactly. There are two companies are in pipeline. Both are contract. Okay, okay. Mm, mm. Okay, okay. Can you please share me the JD, like through that I can get the clarity. For which mail? Okay, okay, okay. Mm, okay, okay. Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay, fine. So these are the AM versions. Like the AM actually, it has started at a year of 2000. So every year it is changed, coming into the market with the new versions. 2, 3, 4, 5. So currently where we are at 6.5 and cloud service as well. So if you are kept your resume in Naukari, so they will call and ask like questions like which version you worked in your previously project. So in that case, you can tell I have worked on AM 6.5 and cloud service as well. Both I have worked on. Both I have worked on. So this is the complete AM history. Okay, this is the AM architecture, so that we'll discuss later. But before that, this is the things you have to familiar. Okay, fine. Now let's So aim installations already you done now. Aim installation already you done. So see, your system RAM should be more than 8 GB, minimum 8 GB, more than 8 GB. Look. So space also you need like at least 8 GB. Next, make sure in your case you have to download the Java 8, you have to download the Maven, you have to download the Eclipse and AMs. So this already you have already. Okay. Next, this is the diagram for the these are the different teams, and the server is 450. This you set up already, and we establish the connection as well, and this you set up already, and this is the end users. The project might be anything. Hmm? So this is, there are different teams available. I said no. So these are the different teams: a dev team, testing team, stage team, pre-prod. Prod meaning live. Okay, when deploy our code into the live, so that from the prod server, all the end users will be access our website. So before going to the live, these are the many servers are available. These are the many servers are available. Okay, a dev server, testing, stage, and prod. Okay, so AM installation and all already you did know. Already you did. So this is all about AM installation. Next. So next we have the concept called component. How to create the component. So if you take any page, the page header is the component which will have the information of the, it is composition of logos, search bar and navigation bar and all, right? Main, it will contain main content of that page. Footer means it will contain common content, or like a, I would say company, social media icons, and the contact details, address. This kind of information will be available in the footer. Okay. I hope this is clear now. So next here, the question is, what is component? So the definition for the component is a modular unit. Modular unit which is used to render the specific content on the page. Specific content on the page. Okay. Component can hold other components as well. Okay. Component can hold other components. Next heading is how to create component types. Component types. There are three types of components we have in AM. So what are the three types of components? So the first one is, there are three types of components we have in AM. The first component is core components, and the second component is proxy component. Proxy component, and third one is custom components. Custom components. So core components means these already implemented by the, these already implemented by the Adobe team, Adobe team. Okay, so based on the requirement, we will use core components also, and then we can use those implementation as well. Proxy components meaning these are the dummy components. Dummy components. In that components inherit the properties from other components. Other components that I will show you, what does it mean by proxy meaning, only just that is the dummy folder. Okay, so it will enter itself don't have any uh, inheritance, that can inherit from the core components or another components. So custom components meaning based on the requirement, based on the requirement, we can create our own custom components. Custom components. Okay. Yeah, this one. Again, this how many ways we can create the custom component? How many ways we can create the custom components? Custom component. There are two ways to create the component. So here the heading is there are two ways to create the custom component. One is using CRST is the one way. Second one is using code base is the second way. So how to create using CRST, I will tell you. The heading is how to create custom component using CRST. This is the heading. Okay. So the first point is create node, mention type as CQ colon component. This is the so here the point you can remember in AEM every data will be stored in the format of node only, but that node behavior completely it depends on its type. If you mention as the CQ colon component, this node will behave like as the node. If you mention the CQ colon folder, then the same node will behave like as the folder. So here the thing is the node complete behavior it depends on its type. Okay, next up, create file, create .html file. Here no here node name, component node name, component node name and .html file name should be same. Okay, fine. Next third point is you have to add the properties, node properties. Third point is node properties. So here we have the properties like first one is these are the node and dialog is the child node. Dialog is the child node. First here you can add the node properties like first one is I can mention like as a JSR title, JSR title, which is the property which is used to access or call the component on the page. All the steps I will show you. Next we have component group which is used to classify the component. For example, there is a website which is combination of like sports, everything, health and all. So you can classify like 250 components are belong to health related, 250 components are belong to some education related. So how you can classify that? You can classify by using that one. Now the next third step is child node. So child node which is used to add the edit behavior to the component, edit behavior to the component. Okay, so these are the steps. So if you follow the same step, you can able to get the dialog. So today what I can take the component name called version component. Okay, version is the component which I can create, and then I can show you, you can get the clarity on that. Okay, go to local, this is the main thing, localhost 4502 aim start.html. So this is the you can able to start. You can go with I am going with the sample project we retail, and go with the click on the Adobe Experience Manager and go to the tools, and there is a option called crxt. So why? Because there are two ways to create the component. One is the crxt and second one is code base. So today we are going with the crxt. Go to the apps, and there is a project called Visitor. Go to the Visitor, and there is a called components. Go to the components, go to content. So inside you can able to create. So first what I said, create a node, create node, and I mentioned the node name called version, and you can mention the type as CQ component. You can look for the CQ component. CQ component. This is mandatory step. Node got created. Every time you keep on control S, because that is the mandatory step. Whenever doing any changes in the CRXT, whenever you are creating or anything, you have to every time, every step you have to control S. If not, you will get the errors. So every time keep on saving. So go to version. So this is step done or not? What I did, create a node and mention the type as. So this step is done. In your case also, please follow the same way. Next thing is create .html file. Click on the component node. Click right click on the component. Right click on the component node. Whatever the component. For example, in our case, version is the component node. No, so I'm mentioning as the bracket. Okay. Now coming to here, right click and then mention create file. The component node name is what? Version. Here .html file also same, version.html. You please follow my statements. Okay, save, done. Done. No, two steps done. Now what is the third step? You have to add the node properties. So what are the node properties? Click on the this one, and here you can add the node properties. What is the first node property? JSR title. JSR colon title. Okay, so here I am mentioning like as the version. Okay, very good. Simply I am adding this one, and then control S. Okay, next component group. So as of now, what I am doing, component group, simply I am copying from other component. For example, I am go with the some breadcrumb, and this is the component group. So simply I am doing the copy paste. In your case also that you can do later, we can create our own itself. I'm doing the paste, control S. Next, so up to these all the steps done, right? These all done. Next we have to add the child node, that is dialog. So that the dialog also what I am doing. So coming days you can design the dialog from scratch level, but as of now what you can do, you can follow my statements. Mm, I am going with some carousel in that. Mm, 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 there is a dialog which is available in the mini cart that I am copying from there, and then I am coming to here, and then this is called child node. Simply I am doing the paste, save, control S, click on this. So here what I am writing, so some data I am writing like h1 element I am taking, and data coming from the version component. This is the thing, guys. Simply I am saving this file, and I would like to go to any page, go to the sites, and then we retail, you can go with any of the page. For example, if I try to open the English page, go with any page, and then now try to add the component which you created just now. What the component which I created just now? So the component name called version. You can try to add the component here. It's coming or not coming? Click on that. So see, the data is coming on that page or not. So this is how this is the teaser components, and how this is however I designed the version component. Same way they designed other these all are the components. This is the product grid component, this is the list component, these all are the components itself. So in AEM, every page you can design by using component. However, I created the version component, so the same way. Okay, for this I can write CSS and all, so that I can give the designs and all. I hope this is clear now. Yes, so today what you can do, one assignment, this is also clear. So this is the one assignment, and here, so tomorrow I will show you like how to create component using code base. I will show you tomorrow. And today your assignment on assignment 2, create version component or any other component, version component, and display the content on the page. So this is the assignment. Okay, the same document. This document I will share with you. Component creation.txt. So you can go to this document. If you stuck anywhere also, you can go with the stepwise. So through that you can easily do the assignment. So same steps, whatever the steps I said here, you can follow the same thing. You can get. So in that case also, if you face any issues, you can uh, share me that screenshot. I can help you. So this is the thing. Okay. So when we have the other time also, so you should be very quick and you should be very active. Okay, so the first time itself you have to grab the information. Why? Because so you have to understand, because in IT industry you have to grab the first time itself. Okay, you have to grab the first time itself. You have to be quick and response. Okay, so that's it. I hope this is clear. If you have any other doubts, you can ask me. Hello. Yes. Yeah, yeah, hi. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, I'm doing actually. I have another meeting. I joined in that meeting. I can update after itself. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, yeah. Yeah. So this video, one entire the video also will be already available in the YouTube channel. If you stuck anywhere also, you can refer that video also. Okay, so I hope this is clear.